Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this really nice outdoor hammock, hanging hammock that this man sent to me for this video. And I'm going to show you two things. Of course, I'm going to get on top of it so you can see this one better. And it's, of course, 440 pounds. So that's kind of like a lot of weight. But it comes with two things that I really kind of like. One is going to be a footrest. I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. And then check this out. The installation right here, it's actually pretty much simple. It comes explained right here, and it's kind of like probably a 20-25 minute installation. But I gotta tell you that I decided not to use the hinge that comes right here with the package, which is the one that you're gonna use to either put in your pergola or like your pergola or your, I don't know, if you have something like a roof or something like that in your patio, you can use this one. And it has a lot of all the bolts and everything that you're gonna need besides having this hook right here. So this is the proper installation, but I had a hammock before, so I'm using the installation that I had before. Another thing is that it comes with this bag, so you can actually use the bag to take it with you on camping or hiking or fishing, or if you go to the beach or something like that, if you have a place to put it, you can use the bag. Also, it comes with the long chain. This is the one that you're going to use for the installation. Remember, I'm using a previous installation that I had. But then other thing is that this is, as you can see over here, made of metal. It has a nice structure, but this is what is most important. This right here, this is going to be what is going to weigh, kind of like hold all that weight. And of course, making sure that this is actually holding both nuts right here. By the way, this is going to be your support. And again, one more time, remember, I'm using a previous installation. Okay, so this one, as you can see, at 5'10" and I weigh 180 pounds. This one is holding it perfectly, but it holds up to 440 pounds with the installation package that comes with the package. This one right here, you can see that it's pretty much wide, so I can kind of like do this and just make sure that I have enough room. So that's really, really nice. But the most important thing, by the way, it comes with a pocket right here, so you can put your cell phone, you can put your book or something like that. But I think this is the coolest thing. This right here. It comes with this really nice leg rest. So this is it. This is how relaxing this thing is. It's kind of like really nice to have this whole structure for all of your body, including your legs. And that's going to be kind of like the nice thing. Just one more time to have your legs right here and being able to chill, relax, and have a nice, relaxing experience. 400 pounds, easy installation, resistant, and of course, perfect for putting this one out. Right on.